Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error that says System UI stopped. In order to fix that error, you will need to make sure that in settings, if you go to apps, then go to all apps, 3 dots in top right corner, enable show system. Then when you find system UI, which I think we can search for, yeah, there's system UI, make sure to go into it and go to storage and cache, clear cache, and now restart your phone by either pressing and holding on the power button, or if it opens Gemini, instead of that, just press on power and volume up and tap on restart and tap on it again. And now wait a little moment, it'll restart and it'll fix the issue. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.